we click OK, and then we are ready to run. So we already comply with the requirements on the load case number 1, where the frame and just the shelf weight only, which is 0.15, and then we can run it, and then we check the result. Supposed to be a kip inch. So we should get negative delta 0.02639, and then we check our answer. Okay, so negative 0.0264. So we get the correct answer, and then we unrun the analysis. So we check that we get the answer for the load case number 1, and then we proceed to the load case number 2, which is there is a distributed load on this, and then on the frame, small frame, and then 10 here. So we do that case. So we select this member, click assign frame load distributed, we click the plus sign, and then we put load case number 2. On the type we select other, self weight multiplier will be 0, click add new load pattern and click OK. So we select the load case number 2, and then we apply the load, which is 1.8 kips per pitch. So we change the unit, and then we put 1.8 here, and then we click OK. So we verify it. So 1.8, we click the joint, click assigned joint load forces, we select the load case number 2, and we type negative 10 kips. So I will put negative 10 here, and then we click OK. So let's check if so load case 2, so 1.8 and 10, so we are good. So I will ready the answer. The answer is supposed to be 0.6296, 0.0623, and then we run it. So I will set this do not run, so we just focus on load case number 2 and run now. So the Z is 0.0, oops, we changed the unit to kip inch. So the answer is 0.0629. So we get the correct answer for the load case number 2. So 0.06296 is the same as the answer we get here. Okay, 0.629. Okay, and then we unlock the model again, and let's focus on the third load case, which is there is a moment acting on the joint number 2. This is joint number 2, and the load downward 17.2. So we put that load case, click assign joint load forces. In the load pattern name we click plus, and then we type load case number 3, and then in type click error, click self weight and click add new load pattern and click OK. So in load pattern name we select load case number 3, and then let's copy the value. So the load's negative 17.2 kips, so we put negative 7.2 kips here, and then moment in Y 54.4 kip pitch minus 54.4, oops, I'm sorry, negative, we change the unit to negative 54.4. So yes, Oops, I don't know why we select this one. It's supposed to be that you click assign joint, and then we make it 0. Click OK. So yes, so there is a load acting 17.2 downward, and then a 54. So let's double check. So side of the joint, load case number 3, click OK. So that's only the and then the okay. So we uh, so let me, as you can see, because I should do it by one, so let me do it again. So I will select this joint, assign joint loads, because before this I even select the member. So I force, so I global Z is negative, load case 3, I will put negative 17.2 here, and then I will put the load case here, and then I will click select this member, assign joint load forces, and then I will add negative 54.4, and then add to existing. So it's this load case number 3. Oh, I forgot to change the unit again, negative 54.4, and then I will click OK. So I think we're good there. Let me just double check it. So load, there's no load assigned, there's load case number 3, there's supposed to be no load case here. Click OK, and then OK. So let's run. I will set the load case number 2 to do not run and click run now, and then I will check the value. The answer here is load is supposed to be 0.629, and let me check this. So it's correct. So load case 3 are sorted out. That's so we get the correct answer for that. We proceed to load case number 4, which is a uniform distributed projected load on the frame element number 2. So I will unlock the model again, click this member, assign frame loads distributed. So we click the plus sign again because this is a load case number 4. Put 4 and type. I will select other and click self weight multiplier will be 0. Click add load pattern, click OK. So in the coordinate system, global, we'll still remove global in the direction. So say Z projected. Let's mention here. Distribute uniform distributed, and then I will type negative oops units again. I have to change the unit to keep it first, and then I will type negative 2 here, and then click OK. Then that's it. So change the unit. So this is supposed to be 2. Click assign frame loads. I hope I did not distribute it. So load case number 4, change it. Load case number 4 and negative 2. Okay, and then I will click run again.